Hello बच्चों, how are you all? I hope you all are doing fine. Let's start the new chapter. Plants in our surroundings. बच्चों, आपने अपने आसपास बहुत तरह के प्लांट्स देखे होंगे, है ना? कुछ ग्रो भी किए होंगे. सो आप आज प्लांट्स के बारे में पढ़ने जा रहे हो इस चैप्टर में. Let's start the chapter. Plants. We see a variety of plants around us. They make our world green and beautiful. अच्छा लगता है ना जब हमारे आसपास प्लांट्स होते हैं, है ना? We see plants of different shapes and sizes all around us. कोई छोटे होते हैं, कोई बड़े होते हैं. Let us look at the different parts of a plant and read about them. Parts of plants. Most of the plants are made of two main parts. The root system, which grows below the ground, and shoot system, which grows above the ground. Right? So, can you see in this picture different type of plants, parts, branch, flower, bud, fruit, leaf, stem, root. Okay. So, these were the parts of plant. So, firstly we will read about root, the most important part of a plant. The root system is made of roots which grow in soil. There are two types of roots. कौन सी? Tap roots, okay, which are long thick tap like roots that grow downwards in the soil. Many smaller roots grow out of the main root. Plants which have tap roots are carrot, mustard, beetroot, etc. You can see in the picture the tap root जिनकी जड़ें बाहर होती है ना. Fibrous roots are made of many small roots growing out in all directions from the base of the stem. Plants which have fibrous roots are grass, wheat, rice. Functions of roots. क्या काम करते हैं सब? They hold the plant in the soil firmly. अगर हमारी root strong है तो कभी भी plant गिरेगा नहीं. Right, hold करके रखते हैं उन्हें. The root hairs absorb water and minerals from the soil. Some roots store extra food and are eaten by us. They are called storage roots. For example, carrot, radish, beetroot, turnip, etc. आप देख रहे हो fibrous root? You can see. आपको root दिखाई दे रही है? इन्हें हम बाहर निकालते हैं और खा लेते हैं. Roots के साथ आते हैं ना बाहर. The stem. It is the part of shoot system which grows above the ground and it bears branches, leaves, flowers, fruits, etc. जैसे कि आपने पिक्चर में देखा था. So let's have a look on knowledge booster now. Bristlecone pine tree in the White Mountains of California, USA, the oldest living thing alive today. It is about 4600 years old. 4600 years old बच्चों, कितना पुराना है ना? और सोचो उसकी रूट्स कितनी स्ट्रॉन्ग होंगी. Functions of stem now we will read about. It supports branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. It carries water and minerals from the root to leaves. कहाँ से लेके जाता है? Root से leaves तक. It carries prepared food from the leaves to other parts of the plant. जो leaves आपको पता है ना, leaves sunlight से रोशनी लेके खाना बनाते हैं, वो ये कहाँ लेके जाता है? Other parts of the plant के लिए. Some underground stems like potato and onion store extra food and are eaten by us. Desert cactus stores water in them. You can see cactus. Leaf. It grows on the branches of plants and they are of different shapes and sizes. Parts of a leaf. The flat green part of a leaf is called leaf blade. Its tip is called leaf apex. There are thick tube-like lines present on the leaf blade known as midvein and side vein, as it is clearly visible in the picture. बच्चों आप देख सकते हो ना पिक्चर में. They help to distribute food and water. There are many tiny pores called stomata present on the underside of leaves. They let air and water vapor pass through. है ना, क्या हेल्प करते हैं? जिससे पानी और हवा दोनों पास आर पार हो जाए, मतलब उन्हें पानी और हवा दोनों मिल सके. So please practice this picture. Through this picture, what are the different leaf parts? Okay, functions of leaf. आप करते क्या हैं ये? Leaves are known as the kitchen or food factory of the plant because they prepare food for the plant. Leaves use water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to prepare sugar. क्योंकि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड तो हमसे लेते हैं प्लांट्स और हमें ऑक्सीजन देते हैं. इसीलिए बच्चों बहुत सारे प्लांट्स उगाने चाहिए. हाँ, क्यों? क्योंकि वो हमें ऑक्सीजन देंगे तो हम शुद्ध वायु ले पाएंगे और उन्हें क्या चाहिए खाना बनाने के लिए? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. सो this process of making food is called photosynthesis. Okay, plants breathe through the tiny pores present in the leaves known as stomata. Some leaves store extra food and are eaten by us. For example, spinach, lettuce, mint, coriander, etc. Flower. It is the most beautiful part of a plant. अच्छा लगता है ना आपको जब किसी प्लांट के ऊपर फ्लावर ग्रो करते हैं? Don't pluck them. तोड़ना नहीं बच्चों उन्हें. It's the beauty of plant. Flowers come in different colors, sizes and shapes. A flower slowly changes into fruit and which have seeds inside them. Flowers are the reproductive organs of a plant. And knowledge booster. The world's smallest flower is the watermeal. It is measured in 0.1 mm across. Now you can see flower, then fruit, then seed, then new plant. क्योंकि इससे seeds भी तो निकलते हैं ना fruit से. Okay, then fruits and seeds. Fruits and seeds are of different shapes, sizes and colors, as you can see in the picture. Different fruits have different numbers of seeds inside them. आप orange खाते हो? Orange में कितने सारे seeds होते हैं ना? Fruits with one seed. Mango में एक ही seed होता है. Peach has also one seed. Plum has also one seed. Fruits which few seeds, orange, apple, pear, है ना? एप्पल में भी बहुत सारे सीड्स होते हैं, पियर में भी, और ऑरेंज जब आप खाते हो उसमें भी बहुत सारे सीड्स आपको निकलते हैं ना. फ्रूट्स विद मैनी सीड्स, वाटरमेलन, पपाया, मस्क मेलन. नॉलेज बूस्टर. प्लांट्स मेक द एयर क्लीन बाय कन्वर्टिंग atmospheric carbon dioxide into useful oxygen which we use for breathing. All seeds have a baby plant or embryo inside them which grows into a new plant when they get enough air, water and warmth. जब उन्हें गर्मी मिलती है, एयर मिलती है, वाटर मिलता है, so वो एक न्यू प्लांट ग्रो होता है. दिस इज ये जो प्रोसेस होता है ना बेटा सारा, दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड जर्मिनेशन. चैप्टर समरी. व्हाट यू हैव रेड इन चैप्टर? लेट्स हैव अ लुक. ईच प्लांट इज मेड ऑफ two parts, the root system and the shoot system. Roots grow below the soil and absorb water and minerals. Shoot system bear stem, branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. Leaves are the food factory of a plant. Flowers change into fruits which have seeds inside them. These seeds grow into new plants. Seeds turn into a baby plant which is called germination. So बच्चों, it's your turn now to practice through exercises. So have fun.